Welcome back, everyone. Today is one of those rare days in the market where everything aligns for a single stock. We are talking about Delta Airlines, ticker DAL. Between a fresh earnings beat this morning and a massive geopolitical shift, Delta isn't just moving, it's taking off. Before the bell, the stock was sitting around $66.75, but with today's news, we are seeing it surge roughly 12% in the pre-market, pushing us right into that $74 to $75 range. Let's break down why this is happening and where the ceiling actually is. First, the fundamentals. Delta just dropped their Q1 2026 results, and the numbers are solid. They reported earnings of 64 cents per share, comfortably beating the Wall Street estimate of 61 cents. Revenue came in at $14.2 billion, also edging out expectations. This isn't a fluke. This marks 6 consecutive quarters of Delta beating EPS estimates. It shows that despite all the noise in the economy, the Delta brand is resilient and efficiently managed. But the real jet fuel for today's rally is, ironically, the price of fuel itself. Crude oil is crashing nearly 16% this morning following the announcement of a 2-week ceasefire between the US and Iran. For an airline, lower fuel costs don't just help the bottom line, they fundamentally change the margin expansion story. Looking ahead to Q2, Delta is already guiding for low teens revenue growth on flat capacity. They're expecting a pre-tax profit of about $1 billion for the June quarter. Keep in mind, they gave that guidance even while accounting for a $2 billion increase in fuel expenses at the forward curve. If oil stays down, that $1 billion profit target could start looking very conservative. So, what is DAL actually worth? Even with today's 12% jump, the valuation is arguably cheap. It's trading at just 9.3x earnings with a massive 28% return on equity. Wall Street is almost unanimous here. Out of 18 major analysts, 100% have a buy or strong buy rating. Not a single hold or sell. Wells Fargo has a target of $75. Jefferies is at $72. Evercore ISI and Argus are looking at $80. UBS is even more bullish at $84. And Freedom Broker is calling for $89. The median 12-month consensus sits at $84, suggesting that even after today's rally, there is still another 12% to 15% of upside to reach fair value. Bottom line, you have a company that just beat earnings, a geopolitical catalyst that is crushing their biggest expense, fuel, and a valuation that hasn't caught up to the growth yet. Delta is leading the industry right now, and the technicals are finally matching the fundamentals. As always, do your own due diligence, but today, DAL is easily the most compelling story on the board. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our investing community. Also, hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest market trends. See you in the next one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only.